eco-friendly car wash system with green steam power. The ideal solution for car washes, auto dealerships, fleet companies, rent-a-car companies, gas stations and car service centres. Deep cleaning and total sanitization comes with a new and pleasant technology. Dry steam is the solution for water-saving and environmental-friendly car washing. Heat and pressure combined creates a powerful cleaning solution that melts away the dirt like nothing else can do. Save time and money with a flexible and fast mobile system for a large range of applications. Steam is a safe and user-friendly technology and does not damage paint on cars if used correctly. For more information,